Welcome back to the course Learn Blockchain. Today we will be talking about Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, or simply DAOs. So what are Decentralized Autonomous Organization? Before that, first let's understand what is an organization. So organization is a group of people or hierarchical structure like board of directors on top, then chairman, managers, head of departments, then the worker or employees all working together in order to achieve a common goal. These people follow certain procedures or protocol while performing their work, and they guard their procedure or protocol on their contracts before starting the job. The contracts specify what kind of work that they should do and how. If you see an example of driving a car, yes, somebody is steering and deciding where to go, left, right, and which way. But the car has to run. So there are lots of parts inside the car doing their work which makes the car run. Similarly, in the organization, there are works that need to be done according to just procedures or protocol in order to run the organization. So here there is more involvement of people. What if we could create an organization where all the works would be done automatically by the computer rather than the people? And there comes the smart contract, which are coded in such a way that it can perform operations based on the situation without much intervention of human beings. So the protocols and the procedures can be converted into the code, and since we have Turing complete programming language, we can code any logic that we can imagine and visualize. If we could code all this logic into the smart contract, then we could have an organization that can run on itself, and that's what DAOs are all about. Let's see an example to make it more clear. Let's consider a DAO that provides ride service, not a ride sharing, because a car is driving itself autonomously. So a car is driving itself and the organization is also running itself. So here what happens is a person is waiting for a car so that he could go to the office. Here a car appears, pick up the person and drop him to the office. Here there is another person waiting for the car. Now the car has to pick up this person too. And since because of the smart contract or the programming embedded in this organization, it can decide whether it needs to go to the gas station or not. Then there is a smart contract that governs how to interact with the gas station. The gas station itself can have a smart contract. The car checks up the smart contract of the station station checks the smart contract of the car, there is exchange of gas or some sort of paying mechanism. Then the station fills up the gas of the car. So here the whole process doesn't need a human interaction or involvement. From the starting, there is even no need of driver. The car can decide all of its decisions, what to do, when to do, and how. And all these are governed by the codes or the smart contracts on the blockchain. So the main idea behind DAO is to have less human involvement and more automation in the work. It does not need board of directors, no managers, nor the employees. Only computers coded with the instruction and protocols so it can decide on its own what to do. So this is all about Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAOs. I hope you have learned something, and on this note I will see you in the next video.